Hey friends! Today we're going to draw a Thanksgiving turkey together using just a few simple shapes. Let's get started. First, let's start with the body. Draw a big circle in the middle of your page. This will be our turkey's body. Next, draw a smaller circle right on top of the body for the head. Easy, right? How's it going? You can take a minute to finish your circle if you need to. All right, let's give our turkey a face. Start by drawing two oval shapes near the top of the head for the eyes. Are those eyes looking good? Feel free to take a moment to make them nice and even. Next, let's add the beak. Right below the eyes, draw a tiny triangle pointing down for the beak. Now we're ready for the wattle. The wattle is that wobbly red part under the beak. Draw a teardrop shape right under the beak, letting it hang down like a wiggly little ornament. Take a look. Does your turkey have a beak and wattle yet? You can make the wattle a fun wiggly shape. There's no wrong way. Now, let's make the turkey's big tail feathers. We'll use rounded rectangles to give the feathers a unique look. Start by drawing a rounded rectangle shape behind the turkey's body, pointing outward. This will be the first feather. Rounded rectangles can be a bit tricky. Start with a regular rectangle and then round off the corners to make it softer. Don't worry if they're not perfect. Got that first feather? Great! Now keep adding rounded rectangles all around the body to make the tail big and full. You can add as many feathers as you like. And now, let's finish up by adding feet for our turkey. Start by drawing two skinny rectangles pointing down from the bottom of the body. These will be the turkey's legs. Are your rectangles ready? Now let's make some toes. At the end of each rectangle, draw three small ovals. These ovals will be the turkey's toes. Try to spread them out a little so it looks like the turkey is standing on its toes. Do your turkey's toes look good? It's okay if they're a bit wobbly. Just make them nice and round. Awesome job, everyone! You've drawn a Thanksgiving turkey. Thanks for drawing along with Creative Fun Haven. Don't forget to show off your turkey to friends and family. And remember, if you want to make any part better or need more time, you can always rewind the video and pause whenever you like. Keep practicing and have a happy Thanksgiving.